Hello, welcome to Curse Brains. In this following video, I will be showing how to hide the last name of your Facebook profile. Kindly try this on your own risk. I'm not liable or responsible for your Facebook profile getting locked or blocked. The method to hide the last name of Facebook account is quite easy, and won't take more than a minute or two, if done properly. Visit Facebook, and open your profile, in which you want to remove the last name. Visit Settings option, from the upper right drop-down menu. As you can see, I have filled both first and last name for the account, as it's mandatory for major Facebook users around the globe. First, I will just show you what happens if we try to remove the last name and save it. And you can see the error, you must provide a last name. Now I will show how to remove the last name, without getting any errors. Here you can see below, there are several languages given by Facebook, to opt whichever region you belong, or language you speak. Now the language I'm selecting is Tamil. It's an Indian language from South Indian state Tamil Nadu, where people don't have last names for some reason, and so Facebook let them allow to change names without last name. Just click on the language, and your Facebook profile will be translated into that specific language entirely. I recommend you using Chrome for handy translate option. Just to notify, this trick works both on PC and mobile devices. And you can see the name has been changed successfully without last name. In case if you don't belong from India, and face any error or it doesn't work, you may have to use VPN for Indian IP. Now after you have changed your name successfully, for another 60 days you won't be able to change the name, and for the next 48 hours, you will just have the option to revert to old name. Hope I have explained each and everything clearly. Leave your comments and doubts in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for much more videos, and if you want to connect or contact us, just head over to below of the description. Thank you for watching this video.